Fly Tribe, how are you? It's Abby here, and I wanted to invite you guys to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so that you're the first to get our newest updates each week. We'll see you there. Alright, attitude stretch with assistance. So you're going to lift that leg. You're going to bring your one strand of your fabric on the top of your foot, and you're going to slide it up to meet your other hand. Now, depending on how high you want your leg, you can just keep lifting and dragging that fabric up. From there, you're going to extend out and stretch. Now, you can continue to do that for a round of 10, 20. Whatever suits your needs. Let's see that again. So fabric on top of the foot, bringing the fabric tail to meet the other on top. You can cinch that fabric higher if you'd like, or lower, depending on how high you want your leg. Open up and stretch long. Alright, this is your attitude stretch with assistance. Ring that bell.